we're really talking about SMBs. We're talking about BC, and that's, and oftentimes, this is big, big stuff. They feel like it's outside our reach.
Out of reach.
Is it outside their reach?
I unfortunately, I think that's part of you and I's job for sure, Chuck, is highlighting that it's not out of reach. Because I think so many organizations believe that to be the case. And this product is truly built to support the SMB space.
Mhm.
It's been built specifically for BC Online. And what we need to do and realize is that you can be processing 100 invoices per month, and we have an affordable cloud solution for you, fully integrated into BC. And I'm telling you, I've been here 15 years ago. If you would have told me even 5 years ago you had 100 invoices that you process per month, I would have said, best of luck to you. And bye. I didn't, there was no justification for it, right? There was
Mhm.
no ROI at that volume. That's no longer the case. I think so often smaller organizations don't believe that they can get to that efficient level. They feel like they're behind the times as it relates to technology.
Mhm.
And that's what's exciting about Simply AP and BC Online,
Mhm.
right? It's really changing the way in which organizations can streamline their business and grow their business. And us ensuring that it's affordable. All of our entire product is based on just invoice volume. I don't care if you have 5 people that need to review and approve invoices or you have 500. All of them are going to have access, and there's
Hmm.
not one differential in that price. We really need to ensure that there is efficiencies built on top of technology for the
Mhm.
SMB space for BC Online.
Well, that's an incredible value pricing scheme. I mean, truly, it
Yeah.
and there's, I mean, no minimum. I mean, what's the
Nope.
minimum? There's
No
no
minimum.
minimum.
No minimum. No minimum users. No minimum amount of invoices either.
I mean, honestly, Tiffany, it's revolutionary. Nobody talks like that out in the space.